organisms. But what we thought about and think about now is that there's no possibility that a bacteria could accomplish all the things they manage, most like making us sick. I mean, lots of terrible things, but also lots of wonderful things, if they're just acting as these little individuals, because they couldn't have an influence on the environment. And so what we've shown and what quorum sensing is that bacteria make and release tiny little molecules that you can think of like hormones. And so as the cells grow in numbers, these molecules grow on the outside of the cells. And when the molecules hit a certain amount, which is proportional to cell number, the bacteria detect that those molecules are there, so it's a way of counting neighbors. And then all the bacteria change their behavior in unison. And so they start carrying out tasks as enormous groups instead of trying to accomplish these tasks as individuals.
Craig decides to go for a walk near a pond. Unfortunately, he quickly discovers that there are several mosquitoes flying around. Mosquitoes react to the carbon dioxide that Craig's body releases. This movement of the mosquitoes is known as taxis. A taxis is a response to a stimulus resulting in movement towards or away from the stimulus. Heads home. As soon as he turns on the light in the hallway, he sees something small run across the floor. The reaction of this cockroach is an example of kinesis. Kinesis is the movement of an organism in response to a stimulus, but does not result in movement directly towards or away from the stimulus.
Will hibernate from early October until late April. It is a nocturnal animal, which means it is awake at night. The dormouse spends its waking time between the branches of trees looking for food. It doesn't like to be on the ground where there is more danger. Copperhead snakes will gather to hibernate together in winter. These snakes are named after the copper color of the head on the adult snakes. Copperheads produce venom, which is poisonous. The snakes eat rodents, birds, lizards, insects, and even other snakes. These bats are chilling out in Wyandotte Cave in Indiana. Bats hibernate by hanging upside down from their feet all winter. Some bats can stop breathing for almost an hour during hibernation.